from potential to perfection. A journey of body, mind and soul towards excellence in knowledge, skills and attitudes, where today's grooming makes tomorrow's guardians.
The National Police Academy here is the apex police training institute in the country, and we train the police leadership of the country.
The entrants to the Indian Police Service are graduates from all disciplines, socio-economic strata and from all parts of the country.
The young and bright entrants who join the Indian Police Service are molded into sensitive and competent police officers here. And the Academy takes pride in being a part of their transformational journey. Now, this training institute was established right after independence in the year 1948 as the Central Police Training College. It was rechristened as the National Police Academy in 1967. And in 1974, it was named after the Iron Man of India and called the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy. As per the Gore Committee recommendations, the Academy required a larger campus, a central location, and a location next to a big city. Hence, this Academy was located in Hyderabad in the year 1975.
Over an intensive 2-year course combining indoor and outdoor training, we ensure that they master the required domain, functional and behavioral competencies that a modern police officer must have. Indoor training doesn't mean classroom teaching alone. It's also hands-on training using simulated crime scenes, state-of-the-art forensics, cybercrime investigation labs, moot court, model police station and field visits. Trainees live and breathe the actual professional world they are going to enter and the spectrum of roles they will play in it. Outdoor police work is just as challenging and diverse. A professional police officer must be physically and mentally fit and capable in field craft and tactics, dealing with law and order situations, unarmed and armed combat, countering urban terrorism, jungle warfare, disaster response, you name it. This is why we can say with pride that our training lays the strong foundation for these young officers to handle the toughest assignments, be it with state police forces, central armed police forces, elite investigative and intelligence agencies, or any other department of the government. The training builds the highest levels of tenacity and endurance, pushing trainees to their limits and beyond. Human capabilities and strengths differ. That's why the endurance challenges also teach another key principle: teamwork. This is vital in field situations. And this responsibility is also delivered with compassion and sensitivity towards people's distress and an attitude of service and uncompromising ethics and integrity. Without these qualities, all the physical and mental skills are of no use. Responsibility, in turn, means a lot of things. These are not theoretical concepts. Throughout the 2 years, the exemplary conduct of the trainers, weaving in of attitudinal training in all activities, the distinguished visitors who are role models, help in instilling the highest values.
They would actually have an insight into their own potential. They would do things, accomplish things which at the initial stage of entry they would never have thought they would be able to do. And then they would realize how much of potential that they have inside them, and that prepares them for facing any challenge with confidence and competence.
To conclude, If there is one thing that encapsulates the National Police Academy experience, it is this rough-looking rock near the entrance and the quote from the famous sculptor Michelangelo below it.
As Michelangelo, the famous sculptor, had once said, the marble already contains a statue, and it's just a question of extracting it from the rough marble. The Academy believes that the young and bright entrants who join the service already have a fine police officer in the making, and the Academy helps to chisel and sculpt this in the best possible manner.